Hello everyone, today in this video we'll be delving into the topic of topping up your OneCard. Stick around till the end as we cover all the essentials. A OneCard is a specialized card provided to students of American universities for accessing various campus services such as the library, parking, and printing. To utilize this card, you need to ensure it has sufficient funds. The methods for depositing money may vary depending on the university, but there's a standard procedure. You'll typically find deposit machines scattered around the campus. These machines operate akin to ATMs and accept cash transfers to your OneCard. Simply insert your card into the machine and follow the prompts to initiate a deposit. Then, proceed by following the on-screen instructions to input the desired amount. To locate these deposit machines, you can refer to your school's website where you'll find information regarding their locations and addresses. Alternatively, you can opt for online depositing. Log into your university's designated website or portal, such as login.wayne.edu. Navigate to the University Resources section and select your OneCard account. From there, choose the deposit option, specify the amount you wish to deposit, and provide your credit or debit card details. Confirm the transfer, and you're all set. By following these straightforward instructions, you can easily add funds to your OneCard hassle-free. Thanks for tuning in.